Another way that you can find products that you can promote. So once you've looked on here and you found a product that you really like, as someone that's starting out, what I would strongly urge you to do is think about what products you've got in your house already as well. Like for example, the Lenovo microphone that I showed earlier in this video, I already had that way before I joined on TikTok Shop. The microphone that I'm talking on right now, the USB condenser microphone, I had that way before jumping on TikTok Shop as well. But I know that these products are also on here, so you know, I've already got a product that I can demonstrate, that I can make videos about in my hand, that was already in my house. I've got some portable wireless heaters as well that I can talk about. So if you look around your house, basically my point is you will most likely have some products that are already being sold on TikTok Shop that you can start promoting because you've got the identical product already in your home. Now, in terms of where to source samples as well, so you may be wondering, where are people getting these products? How are they getting these products in their hand that they are now promoting in these videos? And what you can actually do, going back to the filter that I've mentioned under recommended for you here, you can actually filter based on what products are offering free samples as well. So if I click on free sample, that's now going to change that showcase to show me only products where shops are offering free samples. And in order for you to apply for that free sample, I'm going to click on that massage gun, for example, here, and when that loads, you can see there at the top it's got an option to get free sample. Now don't get too excited yet, because the shop will still assess your account. They will look at your account and see how closely it ties to this product and what you're trying to sell here. And the close and the more of a fit they think you are, they'll most likely send you that sample. But if they think you're not the direct fit, if they think your account doesn't look trustworthy, you've not made a lot of videos yet, if they don't trust that you will create a video after they send you that sample, then they'll most likely decline that product. But all you do, that product sample request, sorry. So I'm just going to click on that get free sample icon there, and it's going to ask me to select whether I want the black or gray, and I'm going to select black, and then I'm going to go on request free sample. Now after you do this, I'm not going to click on it because I'm not placing the request. TikTok will allow you to track how the application is doing. It's going to go on different stages. For example, after this, it's going to go on awaiting approval. So it just means it's waiting for the shop owner to review your application and decide whether they want to send you that free sample or not. And yeah, from there, you're going to get updates on your TikTok notifications, just the normal notifications that you get for everything else on TikTok, for when it's been approved or for when it's not been approved. You're not going to get a reason why, obviously, but you just keep pushing. You get 5 free sample requests at any one time. So once you've requested 5 free samples, that's your cap. You're not going to be able to apply for any more free samples until 1 or 2 or more of those have been actioned, rejected, approved, etc. That's when you'll be able to put in your next application. My advice would be apply for the samples anyway. You never know. And the good news is this is not based on how big your account is as well. They don't necessarily look at that. They just look at how much of a fit you are